And here's I'll show you how to save contact form data in WordPress database. So currently I'm in my WordPress contact us page, and here I will add a contact form, and then I will show you how to save contact form all data. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard and go to add new plugin page. In the search plugins box, type here Formidable. All you have to need install and activate this Formidable Forms plugin. Once the plugin activated, now we will create a new contact form using Formidable Form plugin. So in this selected menu, you see this Formidable option. Just click on Forms, and here click on Add New. And now you can create a new contact form by clicking on create a blank form. In my case, I'm going to using this contact us form. So here is the form. You can go ahead and edit form field. You can change form level. So go ahead and build a contact form and then click on update. And after that, I'm just editing my contact page. And let's add a new block. And in the search blocks, type here Formidable Forms and add the Formidable Forms block. Click on select a form. And here select the exact form that you want to add. And here you can see the form successfully added. Let's save this page and let's view our page in a new tab. So here's my page. Let's fill up this form. And let's click on submit. Here you can see the message successfully sent. And now to see all of your saved contact from messages or responses, go back to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you are in your dashboard, hover over on Formidable and here click on entries. And here you will find all of your contact from responses. So this is the latest responses. I'm clicking on view. And then here we can see the sender name, sender email address, subject, and here we can see the message. In this right hand menu, you can from here you can delete the entry, you can print the entry. Here we can see the entry details. So go ahead and that's how you will be able to see all of your contact from saved messages in your WordPress. Thanks for watching.